Okay, so this is the drain plug coming undone. Shoots straight backwards. Got this flap in the way here, so you gotta get your arm right up into where the oil's gonna come out, and then you're just gonna have to let it fly and see where it goes. She goes. There's the stream right there. It's going right into the bucket. Didn't get all over this felt like I thought it would. So not too bad. Just place the bucket here. Here's the hot drain plug. This comes with a rubber gasket. Probably don't want to reuse that. Maybe you can. Pretty black after 1,500 miles, that's why I'm changing it now.